The Megha Kayak Festival 2022 is an international whitewater kayaking competition which will be held on the Umtrew River near Umtrew village in Ribhoi district of Meghalaya from the 13th to the 16th of October 2022. The Megha Kayak Festival aims to be the largest festival in the Indian subcontinent with over 80 whitewater kayakers from all around the world competing, including a large contingent from India and Nepal. The total prize money for the Megha Kayak Festival is pegged at rupees 15 lakhs, along with some amazing gear prizes from various sponsors. This festival will feature Olympic-approved disciplines such as the giant slalom, extreme motocross and time trial races, as well as separate competition categories for intermediate and novice kayakers. The aim of this festival is to promote adventure tourism and help establish Meghalaya as one of the major water sports destinations in the world. Another unique feature of this Megha Kayak Festival is that the focus of this event is to encourage female participation in adventure sports. There is no state better placed in the country to lead the way than Meghalaya, owing to its strong feminine cultural heritage. Towards this, the organizers will invite at least 6 of the world's best female kayakers, conduct women-centric kayaking workshops, and also provide discounted participation fees to women athletes. The organizers hope that the people of Meghalaya will wholeheartedly support the event and help with making it a major success. The organizers also thank the Tourism Department of Meghalaya and the Meghalayan Age for being the primary sponsors of this sporting extravaganza.
On behalf of Meghalaya Tourism and Ribhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society, it gives us great pleasure to announce the Megha Kayak Festival 2022. This international whitewater kayaking competition will be held on the Umtrew River near Umtrew village, Ribhoi district in Meghalaya from October 13th to the 16th, 2022. The Megha Kayak Fest aims to be the largest festival in the Indian subcontinent with over 80 whitewater kayakers from all over the world competing, including a large contingent from India and Nepal. The total prize money for the Megha Kayak Festival is pegged at 15 lakh rupees or 20,000 US dollars. This is the total prize money, along with some gear prizes from various sponsors who will come on and be a part of this festival. The Megha Kayak Festival will feature Olympic-approved disciplines such as the giant slalom, extreme motocross, and time trial races, as well as a separate competition category for both intermediate and novice kayakers. Conduct women-centric kayaking workshops and also provide discounted participation fees to the women athletes. The technical organizers for the Megha Kayak Festival is Goodwave Adventures Bangalore, which is the company that I represent. Goodwave Adventures have in the past organized the Kali Kayak Festival in Karnataka and 6 editions of the world-renowned Malabar River Festival in Kerala. They will be teaming up with Whitewater Village Umtrew, which is the Whitewater Kayaking Training Center and will be the main venue for the event. The Whitewater Village is located about 1 hour from Shillong and conducts the kayaking courses throughout the year.